Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to reviewing this 67 Camaro in red from Hot Wheels Camaro 50 series 5 from 5. Now as you can see, this is front cart of its Camaro itself, and you can see from the back of the cart as usual there is a 50 there and 5 from 5. Okay, now let us try to unboxing it. Okay, let's take out the Camaro from the bubble itself. It is quite hard to open it, but sometimes you find a few cards that easy to lose it from the bubble. Okay, this is the Camaro. Now you can see, is there any differences between the Camaro itself and the cart? I think it's same, right? Except there is no side mirror from the car, I mean. Okay, now we see from the left side there is a Camaro 97 Camaro there, and the flame in yellow, and also there's a white flame, and there is some 1 2 3 4 muffler there, and a 5-spoke rims, Hot Wheels logo there. Then there is the interior is in black, with 4 seat, I think. Yeah, 4 seat, but there's no door handle there. Front section, it's a great front section. There's a grill. I think the front light is covered by the grill itself, and the hood, man, it's good, the hood. Okay, and from the right side, same as the left side of the mirror, unless there is something I don't know, up. There's something a little bit more body, I think. And from the rear section, you can see there's a quite detail. There's a tail light in chrome, and there's a keyhole. I think it is for used to fill up the gas. And the base itself is made in chrome. There's nothing more to say. That there's a little bit detail you can see from the base. Okay, now let's take a look at a little bit more from the car itself. You can see from the up there. Okay, now let's take a spin 360 for a while, so you guys can see the car through. I think that is enough unboxing and review from us today. We will see on the next time, and in the next, I think, maybe Hot Wheels, maybe Matchbox or other, I guess. Bye.